Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to recover hacked Gmail account if all are changed. To get started, head to g.co/recover and enter your Gmail address. Try the following to make the recovery easier. Use a computer, phone or tablet you've previously used to sign into your account. Use the same browser, be in a location where you're usually sign in, like at home or at work. These steps help confirm that it's really you who's trying to recover the Gmail account. During the account recovery process, we'll ask you a series of questions that will be personalized to you based on your account's level of security and the recovery options that you previously set up. Don't worry if you can't remember exactly. Just answer these questions as best as you can. Wrong answers won't set back any progress you've made or kick you out of the account recovery process. If you don't remember your last password, use a previous one. Depending on your account settings, you may get a security question asking you to confirm a prompt or enter a code. There are a few ways to Google to use prompts and codes in the recovery process, including sending a code, sending a prompt, and if you've asked for a code or prompt you can't access, you can continue to the next question by selecting try again or I don't have my phone. Now, reset your password when prompted. Be sure to create a strong password and don't repeat one you've used on your Google account before. Learn more about how to create strong passwords, and when you're done, just tap Change Password. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.